I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the iQOO Z3 device. Yes friends, I'm going to compare the speed test between these both phones. The Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and whereas the iQOO Z3 which has got the Snapdragon 768G processor. Let's see friends how much the Snapdragon 768G is kind of really kind of close to this kind of performance or not. I do know the performance levels is very much different, but let's see in the speed test and the background RAM management which phone will be the best. That is what I'm going to compare. So these are 8GB RAM variant and there's a 8 plus 3GB RAM variant. So total you are getting about 11GB RAM variant in the iQOO Z3 device. Let's see friends what are the testings in my results, what will be there. I'll try to clear all the background applications, so everything, all the background is completely clean in both phones as you can see here. So first let's start with the basic test, which is a reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. Get set go. Yep. So I'm planning to do this kind of speed test comparison with a lot of other smartphones as well friends in my channel, so which is really interested by a lot of other users. That is the reason recently I started to focus more on the speed test mainly. Even the 4G data speed test as well I did try to focus. So right now the iQOO Z3 did turn on the screen and it's right now booting up slightly faster than the Realme X7 Max. As you can see exactly friends what is happening. So same kind of testing I did with plenty of other smartphones as well with the speed test. As you can see the iQOO Z3 did boot up first, and right now still the Realme X7 Max is taking its time. As you can see it's kind of booting up little by little as you can see the speed test. So in terms of the reboot test, the iQOO Z3 is successfully the winner in terms of the reboot restart test. So now let me try to exactly show you what type of Wi-Fi network I'm trying to connect during this process of demonstration, and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, which is a 2.4 GHz as you can see. So let me try to connect to the 5 GHz. The reason is because in the 2.4 GHz the transmit link speed in this is really slow, so you'll get very slow Wi-Fi speeds. So that is the reason I'm trying to connect to the 5 GHz. Let me try to clear everything. Yes, everything is clear. Let me try to open the applications. These are the 15 applications and 5 games. So 15 applications and 5 games, and without using any kind of RAM, game space or ultra game mode. So no game space, no ultra game mode is turned on during this process of demonstration. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. So first let's start with the both phones, which is a Google Chrome application, which is a basic application. So both are slightly loading at the same time. Let me slightly increase the brightness so you know exactly. I'm trying to use a 120 Hz refresh rate as well during this process of demonstration. As you can see friends, the Realme X7 Max is loading slightly faster, little bit faster than the iQOO Z3. So here are the games. Even the games also I did not add into the game space or the ultra game mode. So both phones are slightly same to each other, nothing much difference. So next is the Amazon application. Let's see the Amazon application. So in the Amazon application also slightly close to each other. Next YouTube also friends, no problem. Both phones are slightly close to each other as well. And speed test. Let's see the speed test which phone. I think the first in the Realme X7 Max, and it's also detected the server as well. It's fantastic. And next is the Candy Crush. Let's see the Candy Crush which phone will be able to open faster. I think the Realme X7 Max did open the Candy Crush faster, as you can see, slightly faster in the Realme X7 Max. And the calculator, both phones not bad, and the Facebook not bad. And next application is a Getaway 2. Let's see this game which phone will be able to open faster, Dimensity or Snapdragon processor, which phone? I think Dimensity. Yes. So a little bit kind of difference, only a little bit difference is there, but nothing much different. And next is a Ghana application. Let's see the Ghana which phone can open faster. I do know this is a kind of different kind of price range segment mobile phones, but I just want to see how is the Snapdragon 768G processor comparison with the Dimensity processor. Is it kind of equal or not? Is it not equal, but is it kind of similar kind of performance you are expecting or not? So I don't know, the benchmarks are completely different. This comes close to 7 lakhs and this comes close to 4,50,000 only. But in normal usage, will you feel any kind of difference or not? That is what my point in making this video. Sorry for that. Let me try to open at same time the Flipkart. At same time I'm trying to open. Not bad. And next is Play Store. Yes, same time they did open. I'll try to keep this in the background. Next, Amazon Prime. And let's see in the Amazon Prime which phone. I think Realme X7 Max, slightly faster, the Realme X7 Max. Next is the Subway Surf. Let's see the Subway Surf which phone will be able to open faster. I think it's kind of equal, I guess, equal, no problem. Not bad. And next is the final application, which is a Zoom. So now I did open 15 applications and 5 games. Yes friends, this is a kind of test which I am trying to do recently. So 15 applications and 5 games are completely open in the background. As you can see friends, completely open in the background. So now let me need to start opening the first application which we did open. Let's see which phone will be having in the memory. That is what I'm going to check. That's kind of shocking. The iQOO Z3 is in the memory, which kept the Google Chrome browser. As you can see friends, that's really good to know. In this first impression is a kind of thing. Whenever I try to do this kind of testing, most of the phones, they won't be able to open that Google Chrome application. The mid-range segment mobile phones, that is what I'm trying to talk, they won't be able to open Google Chrome application. But the iQOO Z3 shockingly did open that applications. That's great, no problem. Now let me try to open from here. No issues. S4s, that's perfect. Wow, that's fantastic friends. The iQOO Z3, the game did not even close. Oh, that's shocking thing. As you can see, even the Amazon application did not even get close. As you can see, all the applications, everything is completely open in both phones. As you can see friends, YouTube, same page, YouTube as well, as it is, same. Wow. So let me try to open the speed test. Speed test, slightly the different, little bit, 1 point for the Realme X7 Max, but that's fantastic. The Candy Crush game, as you can see friends, the Candy Crush game did not even close in the iQOO Z3 device. So I did not even, to be frank, I did not even imagine that iQOO Z3 can do this much of potential, but still, oh my god. So I need to concentrate more on this iQOO Z3 from now, compare with the Realme X7 Max. I'll try to do that video very soon. Stay tuned for those videos. So as you can see friends, same applications, everything is there in both phones, nothing. So no application got closed, everything is open equally in both phones only. Let's try this game which is the Getaway 2. Let's see whether this game will be open in which phone or not. I'm really interested to see whether the Realme X7 Max can do it or not. No, it cannot do it. As you can see friends, clearly. So you just saw the results, how it is. So this is what happens if the RAM management is not that kind of good. Maybe the external RAM is kind of helping in the iQOO Z3 device to maintain this kind of really good performance. That's fantastic friends. Opening 15 applications and 5 games, working perfectly alright in both phones, no issues. And Myntra, perfect in the iQOO Z3 device. So that's a kind of really shocking. So no words for me, I would say. So because I did not expect like this. So really I did underestimate this iQOO Z3, to be frank, a little bit. That is the reason I'm not uploading more videos, but I need to concentrate more on this iQOO Z3. I need to push it limits right now. I'll try to do it. So friends, in my testing, this is what I did find out in the speed test, in the RAM management. As you can see clearly, let me to open the last few applications. Wonderful. And the Subway Surf, both phones did kind of open, so that's kind of okay, I would say. Both phones did work, no issues. And next is Zoom. So let me try to do the random test. So I'm trying to do the random test. So randomly I'm trying to open all the applications and trying to close. Let's see. And Chrome, perfect random test which I'm trying to do. So finally friends, these are the complete results. I think you got the exact explanation what you're looking for after. So in terms of as you can see, the random test, the iQOO Z3 won in terms of the Candy Crush. So this is what happens friends if the RAM management is not that great. So few of the applications will be definitely not stored in the multitasking. So thank you for watching this video friends. I do know the external RAM slightly helps in the iQOO Z3, but I did not expect this much thing in the Realme X7 Max, because this should be kind of easy for this phone, because not even big games, not even complicated applications, these are pretty normal applications. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Tomorrow I'll try to come back with another speed test comparison. So stay tuned for more updates. Bye.